In this video we're going to look at how to install and upgrade your software. So here I'm starting the version 1.00 installer. Agree to the user license, select where to install the software, and then the program will go away and install. If you don't have SQL Server, then the system will ask these following dialog boxes to install that as well. Once that's finished and complete, it will finalize the ECCOS install. This will create a shortcut on your desktop. Enter your license key and then register your user. Then log in with the details you've just provided. And here we have the ECCOS system with a blank database. I have now gone away and populated the database, and now if we refresh we can see that there's data in this database. So we're now going to close that and start the version 1.0.2 updater. Click Next, accept the user agreement again. Choose the folder where it has been installed previously, and the system will go away and complete the installation. So you can now restart using your shortcut, log in using your previous details, and here we have the database is maintained. And if we go and look at and generate a hotKnopf, we can see that down in section 1.6b we have microplastics, plastics, etc., the new columns. Thank you for watching.